Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. So those who are already subscribed my channel, I was thankful to you all because of you only. I'm doing this thing. And those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. Today we have booked some good profit in Axis Bank. So the same trade how we can execute in the form of higher high lower low trading strategy. So most of the people are asking about this strategy, and it's a simple indicator. We are going to follow the indicator what it's saying. Okay, so based on this we are going to do our analysis, and based on the what are the trades we can try to take, or what are the signals we can try to take. So that is the important factor. So that thing I'm going to explain in this video. So if anyone new, kindly make subscribe, and if you have any other questions you can comment on the comment box, or if you are new to channel, subscribe it. Okay, the higher high lower low indicator is simply it's telling you the formation of new highs with the new lows. So if the stock forming new lows, lower lows, the red bar, it is indicating the low. Okay, and the blue is indicating higher levels. Okay, when the stock forming new lower lows, for example this is a low, and again new low. So when the stock is forming new lower lows, so that indicate the stock is in downtrend. So when the red color is moving up, that is vice versa, the stock is keeps going down. That is important, you have to understand. When the blue color mark is going up, so we know the stock is going upward, and this is the thing. And when the blue and green crossover, so when the blue and green crossover, so simply we can, this buyer crossed by the seller, so this particular point, and this is the crossover where the crossover happening this particular point. Okay, so it's simply saying the stock is making new higher highs, so it denoting there will be upside in the market. So where it moves around 362 is the level. From 362 it went up to 380 in intraday basis. This is a 5-minute chart of Axis Bank equity chart. So in the Axis Bank equity chart, it keeps going up and up and up. So one fine time it was starting reversed from the high, and again we got a sell crossover here, and from around 370 level, from we got a 370 sell, and again it comes to 352. From here it was very flat, and again it reversed and ending higher. So from the bottom the blue is increasing, so that's simply telling you there will be a reversal in the trend. In the 5-minute chart, how we are effectively do using the indicator. So you can use any time frame, and you can utilize the same indicator any time frame as well as any stocks. So the important thing, the previously Axis Bank from 380 it down by 316 here, or 54 or 50. So almost the stock is down by 30 points. So if you compare today's low, it is around 340 today's low, and 40 points down from recent high, and we can see there will be a down in trend. So when the stock is already down or beaten down, so we are trying to find out a buying opportunity. There will be a buying opportunity, we are waiting for the same. So once it is down showing, again we are waiting for a reversal signal. So the sale was happening here, and from there it is a big fall. So almost to 40 rupees fallen down. So from the 40 rupees we are finding out the buy opportunity. When the buy signal is generated, we can try to buy the stock at the level, and what should be the recent low, you can make a stop loss as the recent low as a stop loss. So when you buy around 360, so your stop loss may be 350, and the 1:1 risk reward ratio 370 is your target, and it reaches 382. So here 1:2 risk reward ratio generates. So this buy signal we took in the early morning, and we booked around 15,000 rupees profit on the same signal. Okay, this happened. So after this movement, after the high movement, from this particular point it went higher. So there will be from 340 is the low, and again it comes to 380. Okay, almost 40 rupees it's a upside. For this 40 rupees we are waiting for a reversal in trade. So when we are watching the trade where we got a reversal in opportunity, so again market slowly moving downwards, and we got a confirmation based on this higher high and lower low indicator. We got a sell over here, or sorry, sell over here. Again sell signal generated 370, and this sell signal is validated by this uptrend. If the trend is happened, so again we are waiting for a reversal. So uptrend formed, and we are waiting for a downtrend, again the reversal. So once the reversal is done, so it's again it started falling and again coming to the 352 levels. So here almost again 18 points down. After that very flat movement, again it gives you reversal here, and it is about intraday trades. It's not it's a good time because it is around 3 o'clock nearby, end of the day. So even though if you are taking the entry, this is what your stop loss. So around 362, and stop loss is 358. So it went up to 372 plus. Okay, so here I used only the higher high lower low indicator, which will gives me a nice return on intraday basis. The simple thing, when you got a buy or sell crossover, the red is crossing above the blue, it's a sell crossover, and blue is crossing above the red, that is buy crossover. The simple indicator which you can use very easiest way. Okay, the important thing, whenever we using the crossover, you must go back and see the trend must be there. So this is the stock which we have done, and another stock which we have done again, Indraprasad Gas, IGL. And what happened about IGL? We bought it in the morning. So here you see that it is very flat in the morning, but if we entered earlier, but and exited earlier too, and finally went up. We entered around 349, 359, and it went up to 366, almost 16 points with a 2500 quantity. And you see that previous downtrend, here buy signal confirms, and that buy signal triggers your stop loss by today's gap down, and already the stock is down, and again we are waiting for a buy only. If it is sell came, because there will be no uptrend, so we are waiting for a buy, and again the buy happened by 340 at the same price. From the same price it went up to 362, but we are not taken here, but the buy entry only we taken. So just remember why we are taken buy only. The stock is falling down from this higher level, and we got a buy opportunity here, and the stop loss, if you have maintained, the stop loss triggered in this trade, and after that again down. After hitting your stop loss, again the stock goes down. This time also we are waiting for a buy signal. This is sell signal, we ignored it, and again we are waiting for a buy signal. This is what not yet confirmed signal, and again we got a sell entry, that is also we avoided, and finally we got a buy over here. That is what good opportunity. When the stock forms a buy opportunity from this particular point, it went up to huge. So you have to understand what is the probability of winning the trades. So once you understood that logic, you can easily use this indicator to make good amount of money in intraday basis. For example, if you have taken Nifty, I see the Nifty. So today it gives me a sell signal around this much of point 848 and 290. So almost 200 points down in the single sell entry from the Nifty. So why I am taking this? Previously it down from the end, and the sell signal is generated. It may triggers your stop loss, and from this point 300 went to 570. So 300 point rally. I think that there will be a reversal. So here it happened, and it generates you 200 points. A simple way you can use just a 5-minute chart, or what are the time frame you want, you can use as per your own time frame. Again Nifty hourly, it generate you sell today, and we'll see the previous result by next night. And this buy signal generated, this gives you some good return, and again it sell signal generated, previous sell is given huge return. So the simple indicator without a confused, simply you can use. And if you have any doubt, you can contact me the same number I provided in the description, or you can WhatsApp me the same number too. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.